Now are you fine?
Now everybody use me. Everybody, use me over time, and then they say I'm impacted from the fever.
People call me Ande Gilati, but on the other hand, they use me in the fight.
They use me, they make me dirty just to clean their so-called precious shoes.
Hi, Spartans. Hi, sir. Guys, you know what exactly going to take place right there in this batch? No. Okay, guys, in this batch, today we are going to go with object conversation. Means, I'm going to divide all of you in pairs. Like pair 1, pair 2, pair 3, pair 4, pair 5. And इसके बाद मैं आपको कुछ objects दूंगा. You simply have to come here and you have to have conversation. So I hope you're ready. Ready? Yes,
Hey, charger, can you please touch me? I'm feeling
Yes,
very
of
weak.
course. Now are you fine?
Now I'm feeling very strong. Thank you, charger.
Welcome. I think you are new in this city.
Yes, I'm new in the city. Just before 6 hours, my owner purchased me. By the way, my name is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.
My name is C-type charger.
Okay.
How
what
are you feeling now?
Now I'm feeling very strong, but I was, feeling very weak.
Okay. I am the charger who can charge every phone.
I know.
So how are you feeling in this world right now?
Yes, I'm new in this world. I'm feeling a little bit nervous, you can say, and I'm feeling very happy too because I'm meeting with new people. And what about you? I want to know about your life.
Okay, my life, I am a C-type charger and everyone can use apart from the keypad phones and all that. Everyone can use me and I am of white color and I am in everyone's home because everyone's need me. Because of me, they can't survive. As because of you, they can't survive, and because of me, you can't survive.
Oh, yes. Well, I'm also a very famous person. I'm available in every pocket and everybody love me. This is the traits of me.
You have a lot of disadvantages.
Yeah. Means I don't think so. I have disadvantages because everybody love me, everybody use me, everybody use me over time. Means overuse me, and then they say I'm impacted from the fever. My eyes are weak. They always target me. They never target themselves. So I don't think so. I'm bad. They are bad. I do believe.
Because of these people, I am getting damaged. You know how they plug the phone in the charger and they use. Because of that, my energy level goes drained.
Yes. Over time using me, I really get a heat like this and fever take place in my body.
Okay. What are your positive points, by the way?
Positive, I have got a lot of positive and what I will tell you, yeah, everybody love me. Everybody, love using the YouTube in me. So I feel very happy.
But by the way, because of you, if you will not be here in this world, we will be incomplete.
Yes, without you, I'm nothing.
Yeah, bro. I wanna say at the last one thing that we guys are just like you and your family members. Your family members are the chargers and you are the mobile phone. The only thing is that you need to charge, you need to connect with your family members to get charged, even to get stay motivated. You are the only one, but the thing is that that charger will not come to you. You need to come for the charging because many people they get drained, but they even though they don't go with their family members. So this is the major problem, and I feel nowadays generation is going very bad. What's your opinion on that?
First of all, I want to ask a question from you. It's my personal question. My question is that as I'm leading every generation, I'm the leading one phone, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Just Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra came in market. So what do you think? And after 10 years, which phone would be leading?
I think nobody is trustworthy because everyone betrays somebody. If you are trending now, so some other day somebody will trending now. This is the rule of the life. Thank you, guys.
Hi, I am Subras.
Hello, I am Paper. So, what's going on, Shubresh?
Nothing, I'm just the most forgotten thing in my home. I'm used like once in a month whenever they have got some party or function. And rest of the time I'm just I'm just in a corner of nowhere. I don't even know where I am.
Like, I am also kind of done with the people that they use me when I'm needed, and after that, they just torn me and they just crumble me and they throw me away.
Yeah, like it's a human nature. They are like this only. They just find their own benefit. You can just take myself as well. They use me. They make me dirty just to clean their so-called precious shoes. And at the last, who is getting the benefit? The shoes that were dirty and now they are clean. And the shoe brush that was clean now it is dirty, and they don't even care. They just throw me up after the use and don't know when they are going to pick me next.
Like, I don't think that, I don't know why people don't care about our feelings, that I'm also a paper and I love to carry their emotions, their feelings. They write on me. I carry a lot of pain that they, when they write on me with their pens, I feel pain in myself, but after that they doesn't care about it. I don't know how people will know my feelings, that once I was a tree, but now I am become a paper, but now they are not treating me that the respect I want.
You know, I'm just tired of licking others' shoes just to clean them, and they don't even care about me. Well, you can say that it's like they have me, but they have me for something else. They have me, but for their shoes, not for themselves. They make their shoes dirty. They go in dirty paths and all everywhere. They make their shoes dirty, but at the last, they don't even care about that as well. At the last, I am the one who is caring about the shoes. I am the one who is cleaning that up whole day. And you can see how what is it.
Like, people are using me as per their convenience. If you someone will see a note of 50 rupees which is of paper, they will treat me like what a big thing it is. But when it comes to a paper of a register, they just torn me, and after that they just write down something, or just they make some planes and something, and they just throw me away. I don't know. They treat me as a vidya for some time. After that, they treat me as a rubbish thing in my this world. People are serving pamphlets on the streets. Isn't I carry this much value that I am licking the roads in a as a paper?
Yeah, the same thing is with me as well. I am bought. I am bought from shop. I'm totally new. I'm totally cleaned. But after a single use, they made me dirty, but they forgot to clean me. They made me clean something else. They made me clean their shoes, but they forgot to clean myself. Who is going to take care of myself? Who is going to clean myself? Doesn't I need that cleanliness? Don't I need all those things which they want?
Like, people says when someone is torning me from his register, they says that I have a lot of paper, so what's the value of a single paper? Do you know, I once I was a tree, now I am a paper. So you a tree takes a lot of years for grown up, but now people are treating me just as a waste of thing, and people are not caring about me, recycling me also. I also want a second life. People should recycle me also, but they are not doing it.
Apart from all those disadvantages, let's talk about our experiences. In our life, in your life as a paper, in my life as a Subras, what we have experienced till now.
Like, as a paper, I have listened to a lot, like I have seen a lot of emotions of people. Like, if you talk about the people who writes down on me as a diary, so they shares a lot of emotions of them.
Hi, my wooden stick.
Hi, Stephen.
So, how are you doing nowadays?
Today I'm very sorrowful. You know, people call me Ande ki Lathi, but on the other hand, they use me in the fight. I feel very bad. When someone use me as to hurt someone, I feel very bad. On the other hand, people use me to be a supporter. You know, when we go Vaishnavi, so people use me. But after they work, they throw me away.
That's a great thing. I also nowadays, not nowadays, I would say from last so many days, I have been seeing that people, how this world has become so cruel. They are just wasting any and everything around them. They are not even really, like, they are demolishing the things, and they are harming themselves, not just themselves, but the nature. The way I used to see the streets, the plants were there, the beautiful flowers were there. No, nothing is there now. Just pollution and pollution.
But your life is better than me. You know, you stay only one way. You stayed on the roads, but I throw there. You know, when I came in academy, so I was there behind the chair, and one person see me, and now he's using it as a stool, as a object.
As an object.
Now you can see my situation.
It's okay. अब life है. We will have to live this life. And but how these people are so cruel, and so they don't even think that what is going on in ourselves, how they are like so they are harming us, and not just us but their own self also.
You know, I will have to tell my story.
Yes.
One day I was in the street, and one uncle hold me,
Hmm.
and they started beating a dog.
Why? Yes, I was also there. I was.
See me?
Yes, I saw you, but I didn't acknowledge you because at that time I was a bit not working well,
Hmm.
as I was having fever.
Yeah, our government is not repairing the street lamps.
Yes, but now elections are there. Elections are there, so everywhere new street lights are being
Yeah,
placed.
placed. Absolutely. But
So,
you know,
mhm,
yesterday I
yes.
was in my house, and you know, one uncle came and they gave me Aam Aadmi Party flag, and I was in there.
You
Yeah.
were as
I was in the sky.
you were in the sky.
I
You
was
were flying.
Yeah, I was feeling like a bird.
Wow.
I was feeling a wind, a cold wind, and on the other hand, I was feeling heat waves from the sun.
That's great. That you were able to like see so many things.
Yeah.
Though you told me that you when you stepped into the academy you were placed there, but you were able to see many other things also now. So see it a bit positively. I am also trying to see my other things. Like, for instance, I just told you that people nowadays are not at all responsive.
Yeah.